research. It's not the writing or the analysis that gets you, is it? It's the academic time tax, the little things, the hours you spend trying to find that one PDF that seems to go into hiding, or tweaking your bibliography because your professor just decided that APA 7 is the new hot thing. If it sounds familiar, pull up a chair and let's find a solution. Today, we're comparing two of the best AI-powered reference managers, Logically and EndNote. We're gonna look at everything from how they handle your papers to how their AI features actually help you write. My goal is to help you see which tool fits best with your workflow. Let's get into it. First, let's just overview these two reference managers. So first we have Logically on the left. It's an all-in-one research platform. It's designed to be your entire workflow, helping you find sources, organize them, or even write your paper, all with AI integrated every step of the way. So it's the modern, effortless solution. Now, EndNote, on the other hand, is the established veteran. It's been around for decades and it's built to handle massive libraries. We're talking up to 50,000 references. And while it's powerful, its approach is more traditional, focused on direct links to scholarly databases. While its AI is newer, it's primarily an add-on and not a core part of the experience. Both have proved to be really solid reference managers, but let's dive deeper and see how they stack up. All right, so let's start with uploading and importing sources, the basics, getting your research papers into the system. With Logically, the process is incredibly smooth. It's all web-based, so there's no download or setup. Basically, you just drag and drop your files, so your PDFs, your Word documents, even web links, and Logically automatically puts in all the metadata. It also supports identifiers like DOIs and ISBN, so you can just drop in a code and it finds the full citation, even the PDF for you. And once you get the PDF, you can take notes on it, chat AI with it, so it's a huge time saver that just works. Now let's go to EndNote. On the side of EndNote, the pace is a little different. It is a desktop application, so you have to download and do the setup process with that. A key strength is its direct connection to massive scholarly databases like PubMed, Scopus, and Web of Science, which allows you to search directly inside the app, which is very, very streamlined. And you can also use the EndNote Click browser extension to pull PDFs from the web. And for those older, harder to find papers, the Find Full Text feature right here sends your references on a blind date of the internet to see if it can find the PDF. So it's effective, but feels more like a legacy system than a modern one. Next, we're going to go into organizing research, because organization personally is very important for me. So once your sources are in, you need to keep them organized. Logically makes this a breeze. You can create folders and subfolders with a simple drag and drop, but my favorite feature is the use of the tags. You can create custom color-coded tags with aesthetic colors like key findings, background info, and then instantly filter your library, which just makes finding what you need incredibly fast. And for collaborative projects, creating a shared library is seamless. You just create it, invite a teammate, and you can both see updates in real time, making group work effortless. And then for EndNote, EndNote has a powerful system for organization. Instead of folders, you create groups and group sets. What's cool about this is that the same reference can live in multiple groups, which is perfect for multidisciplinary studies. And where EndNote really shines is with its smart groups. You can set a rule like any reference with breakfast in the title, and EndNote automatically pulls those papers into the group, and it even updates as you add new ones. However, a small downside is that sharing is a bit more manual. You can't just share a folder in Google Drive. You have to use EndNote's built-in sharing system to avoid corrupting your library, which can feel a bit cumbersome in a world of cloud-based collaboration when maybe not everyone has EndNote. Now for annotation and writing, this is where the AI truly comes into play for Logically. Logically's built-in annotator lets you highlight text, add sticky notes, leave comments directly on your PDFs, and the real game changer is the AI. If you highlight a confusing term, ask the AI to explain it, and it'll give you a clear contextual answer. So it's not just about, managing the references, annotating. It's actually about understanding, because I feel like in one of my classes right now, it's all manual, and I'm just like, what does this word mean? But it's like having a little research buddy right beside you, helping you out on your annotations and really grasping what the paper has to say. When you're ready to write, Logically has a document writer, which is a dedicated space where you can draft your paper, and you can pull in sources with a single click from your reference manager, which is so It's so nice because it automatically formats your citations and bibliography in 10,000 styles, so you can focus on your writing and not all the formatting. So it's perfect, and it has all those AI commands like summarizing, changing tone. The AI is very powerful. Now for EndNote, EndNote's built-in PDF viewer also lets you highlight and add notes, and the notes are fully searchable, which is a great feature for finding specific thoughts later on. For writing-wise, EndNote won't write your paper for you, but it's cite while you write. Plugin for Word and Google Docs is a lifesaver. You just search for the author, click insert, and the citation and bibliography are automatically formatted. And with the new 2025 release, it includes a key takeaway AI feature that gives you a quick summary of any paper you're reading. But in my opinion, it's kind of far from the deeply integrated AI assistance Logically does offer throughout the entire research process, being able to not just summarize, but do so much more than that. Now, very important, let's talk cost. EndNote has an approach where it's a one-time purchase for a full license. This means you own the software, but you'll need to purchase an upgrade license for new versions. While there is no free version like Logically or Mendeley, they do offer a free 30-day trial and a free online version with 10 gigabytes of storage. The initial investment is higher, and the need to pay for future upgrades is a significant factor to consider, as there is no free plan. Now with Logically, they have a free plan with a lot of AI features you can use and 500 megabytes of storage. If you want the unlimited plan, which gives you unlimited storage, unlimited access to all their AI features, that's only at $8 a month, and students get 50% off. So in retrospect, for a really small price, Logically gives you unlimited resources and unlimited storage, which I believe is a very, very good deal, especially with the free plan too. You can see, test out what you like, and it really gives me an option to work with a tight budget. So which is the better tool for you? Both of these tools are fantastic, but my final recommendation comes down to your needs. If you're a student or a researcher looking for a modern, all-in-one platform that makes your research workflow feel way more streamlined and organized, Logically is for you. Its deeply integrated AI and seamless web-based experience makes a very powerful tool that truly revolutionizes the way you work. EndNote is perfect for you if you really need strict citation styles, seamless word integration, and advanced tools to organize your PDFs and bibliographies. If you want power, collaboration, and automation and don't mind paying for it, EndNote is for you. Either way, your research process just got so much easier. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!